you a staff and crew from Tendency Garden and Sweets. Alright? So we will come, let's seize this moment na okay pa kaayo ang mood ni Baby Trevor, no? Wala pa siya nag-cry-cry. Because passing later, ang sa puto na ganyan eh, hindi na siya mag-blow sa cake candle. Alright? So once again, ladies and gentlemen, I am very thankful and grateful for your presence tonight despite your very busy schedule. No? I know and I uban getting a very busy sa office, very busy sa work, but here you are, standing in front of us just to celebrate this very momentous occasion in the life of our two cute babies, Ellie and Trevor. So Ellie and Trevor, thank you so much for having us tonight. Okay? And of course, happy birthday. Oh, Baby Trevor is very excited, no? To blow his candle. Nagihilak na siya sa excited. Ano siya ma-excite? Mag-hintay. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we are about to witness the blowing of the cake candle of Ellie and Trevor. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Okay, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a big round of applause to Ellie and Trevor. So Ellie and Trevor, may you grow into a very good and kind kids. And of course, ako na pong pasundion balik ha, akong parents, kung sa'yo wish nila for their two babies. And of course, si Ma'am Sheena naman itong sige istorya kanila. Ladies and gentlemen, we will sit down. Thank you so much for your cooperation. And kung ganina, i-welcome na sa parents karon, let's hear their birthday wish ngadto kang Ellie o ni Trevor. So ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause to the ever-supportive father of this very cute kids, Sir Harvey Ayan. A big round of applause!
Bless mo! Bless!
Just wish you
Ani, kumatapad din yung... Ani ka?